Wow.
All right, so let's talk to Jordan. What a crazy weekend we had. I was shocked when I heard the Weather Service say, what, 2,200 strikes in Western Washington?
Yeah, I mean,
I don't remember a day. In decades.
That's what everybody's saying on social media.
Not here, no.
I posted just a silly thing saying, hey, I love a classic thunderstorm. You know, if you're from any other part of the country, you probably enjoy them as well. But here, everybody's been saying, I've been here 50 years. I've never seen anything like that. So it was definitely a storm that's going to go down in the record books for sure for just thunderstorm outbreak, and we saw some severe weather out of it. So let's just get to a look at how much rainfall we did pick up. I know we earlier mentioned the funnel cloud in Skagit County. That was today, actually, but most of the thunderstorms, the widespread thunderstorm outbreak, that was Saturday evening, and we're going to see conditions calm down, but man, it was super unique. Okay, so when we take a look at rain amounts, pretty impressive. I want to point out Port Townsend, almost an inch. This is just today, by the way. This does not include the weekend. We'll get to that in a moment. Mount Vernon, look at you, almost an inch and a half of rainfall in a one-day time span. So it has been dumping buckets in a few areas across the region. And if you take a look at SeaTac, because that's where we keep a lot of our observations, our numbers, we got a record-breaking day on Saturday. That was the rain and the thunderstorm I was telling you about. Got a little bit of rain yesterday, and then today picked up about 0.3 of an inch. And so we're at about an inch, okay, about there for the month, and we average an inch and a half. So we're looking very healthy in the rain gauge department yet again. Current rainfall, we got a little bit of activity up on the Kitsap Peninsula. We've got a little bit of activity near Highway 12. Basically in the higher terrain is where we're seeing it right now. Not much in Enumclaw, nothing in Bonnie Lake, not really seeing anything in Covington. However, Port Townsend here, you got another batch of showers that are picking up. If that moves over your neck of the woods, you could surpass the 1-inch mark through tonight. Now, some showers near Oak Harbor, that's working its way closer to the San Juans, so you'll still expect a few showers for the northwest interior. And we got another batch of clouds that'll keep rainfall in the forecast going into tomorrow morning. So it does look like we've got a chance to maybe see a few more raindrops. I would say pack the kids' rain jacket to send them off in school just to be safe. The afternoon doesn't look as active around Puget Sound. Temperatures will stay cool though, upper 60s to low 70s. This was earlier today. As we go into tonight, a lot of it's turning off. We go into tomorrow morning, a few showers, but not a lot. And then in the afternoon, most of the activity stays in the higher terrain. South of Olympia, you can see a few showers near I-5, and then, of course, the Olympic Peninsula. So they circle around Puget Sound. That's why the afternoon around Puget Sound doesn't look too bad. We'll get sun breaks in there. Of course, the higher terrain areas, foothills, Cascades, we'll see some of the showers develop by the afternoon hours. By Wednesday, mix of clouds and sun. Temperatures should slowly be warming up by midweek, which will be nice. I think we'll get back into the 70s, and then we'll watch a new storm coming in towards the end of the week. How much more rain could we see? Not a ton, all right? I think overnight tonight, maybe another 100th of an inch, depending on where you are. And then, of course, by tomorrow, most of the activity stays up in the mountains. So let's get to that 7-day forecast. I keep us cool going into tomorrow. We're back into the 70s Wednesday and Thursday. A new storm picks up and starts to move through sometime Friday, Saturday. It doesn't get too heavy, though. These are just going to be spotty showers coming in towards this upcoming weekend. I think the heavier stuff will stick to Sunday into Monday of next week.